phone for Gordon. Does it have an antenna?
Okay.
This phone's a hobo phone. It doesn't beep or anything. It's just for looks. Hello? Who is it? Hey, it's your boss. I'm just gonna sit right there. Is that a hammer? Yeah. Look what you do. Let's see, where's the nails at? Where's the nails, Papa? Where's the hammer in?
They're stuck in the thing already.
Oh, these? Here, hammer that in. Hammer that one in. Harder. There you go. Good job. You're nothing.